Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D models for exercise number 3 with the ZW3D software. Okay, first we can create new drawings and I will choose part with subtype standard. Click OK. The next we can create new sketch. You can click here, sketch, and I will choose a top plane. Click OK. Use a circle command to create circle. I will set for radius in here into 18. You can use a center to radius, and you can click start from this point. Okay, we can create circle for center in here. We also can create again circle, start from this point. The next, I will set distance between these two objects. You can use these tools, dimension. Okay, sorry, we need to apply for the last circle. Create in here, and you can click OK. You can use these tools to create distance from center point in here. I will set into 40 and you can press OK. We can create line. You can use draw lines. You can click start from this point into here. The next we create again from this point into here. Okay. Use power trim to cut the circle objects. And now in here we can use offset command. You can select this all objects, use offset command. You can set direction inside here, or you can choose this point and you can set this 10 into 10. Okay, we offset again at this object. You can click here, offset. We set this 10 into 2. And now in here we use flip the directions inside. Click OK again. The next we can create circle. We can set for radius into 3, and for center I will set width between in here. You can click from this point into here, so it will be create in a center point between these 2 points. We create again with a between for snap in here. And the next we create again from between, from this point into here. Sorry, in here we can click OK first, and we can create again between from this point into here. Click OK to apply. The last we can create circle in the center points in here. Now you can create line. Start from middle point, move to the bottom. And I will change this line objects into construction line. You can choose this icon, so it will be changed into construction line. We can use a mirror command to mirror these all circles. For lines, you can select these construction lines and you can click OK. Finally, we can exit this sketch. To convert this object into 3D models, we can use extrusion tools. You can click here, extrude. I will extrude in this sketch, and I will choose this option. We can extrude in the center point here. I will set for extrusion into 10, and for extrude type we can set into one side. You can click OK. The next you can right click in sketch and click unblank. Okay, so it will be show, and you can extrude again this sketch. Choose this option and extrude in this region. You can set for extrusion into 20. You can click OK to apply again. The last you can unblank again, and you can extrude this sketch. The next in the outside here, this region, click OK, and we can extrude with extrusion 5. So this for 5, and then you can click OK to apply. So we already create these simple 3D models with ZW3D for exercise number 3. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.